Welcome, my fellow dreamers, believers, and achievers, to a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Today, I invite you to embark on a quest to unleash your full potential, to embrace the power within you, and to manifest your wildest dreams into reality. The first step on the path to greatness is to believe in yourself. Believe in your abilities, your dreams, and your potential to make a difference in the world. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones you place upon yourself. Life is full of challenges and setbacks, but it's how we respond to them that defines our character. Embrace resilience, my friends. Let every obstacle you encounter be a stepping stone to greatness. Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you rise. Find what sets your soul on fire and pursue it relentlessly. Whether it's a career, a hobby, or a cause you believe in, follow your passion with all your heart. When you align your actions with your passions, you tap into an infinite reservoir of energy and inspiration. In a world that can sometimes seem dark and divided, never underestimate the power of kindness and gratitude. Be the light that brightens someone's day. Express gratitude for the blessings in your life, both big and small. Remember, kindness is contagious, and gratitude is the key to abundance. Now is the time to take action, my friends. Now is the time to step out of your comfort zone, to embrace challenges, and to make a difference in the world. You have the power to create the life you desire, to inspire others, and to leave a legacy that will last for generations to come. So go forth, my fellow dreamers, and unleash your potential. The world is waiting for you. Believe, persevere, inspire,